Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. I bought myself a new toy and thought I would unbox it with you. So let's open this up because I can hardly wait to show you and then eventually get to play with this. All right. And as you might have guessed, I got myself a Cricut maker. And I'm doing this with a box on the floor because my current camera set up on my crafty space wouldn't allow me enough room to get the whole box. But let's see. It comes with this box that says, "Let's get started." And let's see what's in this crafty little box. All right. Materials for my first project. Let's see what's in there. Okay, looks like some cardstock. I like it. And then open me first. Okay. 1, unleash. 2, get connected. 3, make a little something. And 4, bookmark this page. So this is guiding you on how to set up your new Cricut maker. And I did get it on sale, of course. And let's see. This looks like a nice manual with some basic information, which I like. And then it comes with this blade. And here. So here is the USB cable. And it also comes with a, what is it? 0.4 tip black pen. And this looks like it's the rotary blade cap. And of course your warranty information. Now, I took the maker out, but let's see what's underneath. This is like it's the connection, the plug, and then it comes with 2 mats. They're a bit bent, but I'm sure if I just lay them flat under some books, they'll flatten out. And let's see. I've had this sitting in my craft room for a little over a week, just trying to find the time to record this unboxing to share with all of my crafty friends. And I'm so excited. All right, and it looks like you need to take this out too. And I do have to mention that when I shared with a crafty friend that I had purchased this Cricut maker, she sent me, out of the kindness of her heart and the generosity that comes from fellow crafters, a box full of Cricut goodies. She sent me different kinds of vinyls, some Cricut tools, just so many goodies. I couldn't believe it. And my husband asked me, why would she send you all this? And I said, because crafters have good hearts and we just like to share what we have with others. And I know sometimes it's hard to believe that people will just do things out of the kindness of their hearts. But there are people, good people in this world that do things just to be kind, not expecting anything in return. So to my crafty friend, and you know who you are, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Step 1 is the easy part. Unleash this beauty. Step 2 is get connected. So we will go to Cricut.com/setup and looks like it should walk us through every step. All right, so we are going to cricut.com/setup, as you can see, and it's design space for Mac. I do have a Mac, so I am agreeing to the Cricut terms of use and privacy policy. And then I go ahead and download. And that does take a few seconds to get downloaded. All right, once it's ready, I'm opening it, and then I just drag that over to my applications folder. And let's find Cricut Design Space. And I do want to open it. Probably set up. So I need to create my Cricut ID. And I have a smart cutting machine, and mine is the Cricut Maker. So it's telling you to clear 10 inches behind your Cricut Maker, which I have. And then plug in to the wall, which I have done. And then to connect it to the computer. All right, and then once you've connected it to your computer, it will start to show this little spinning circle. It's asking you to wait. I think it's talking to the machine. I forgot to power it on, but I'm doing that now. Okay, let's refresh. Now I'm going to select Cricut Maker. And continue. It's updating, and it is up to date. Now, you need to register your machine, so agreeing again to the terms of use and privacy policy. And it is registered and set up. This is pretty quick. And then you can start a free trial for 30 days. So after that, it's $9.99 a month after the trial ends. All right, so I have gone ahead and started with my 30-day free. And then it has you testing a cut. So I'm going to select the flower. Alrighty, now step 3 is make a little something. So we're going to make a project using our practice materials that came with a Cricut Maker. And there are 2 cutting mats that came with this maker, the light grip and the fabric grip. I will be using the light grip. And wouldn't you know, when I originally recorded my test cut, my camera shut down. So I'm going ahead and doing it again. Preparing for the cut, I've attached my cardstock to the top left corner, and I am placing my Cricut mat in between those guides on the Cricut Maker. Once that flashing up and down arrow starts going, you can go ahead and press it to feed your machine. And then when your flashing Cricut starts going, you can press that to start the cut. And then your screen will show cut in progress. And I must say, the machine isn't awfully loud, so I was pretty pleased with that. And then once your test cut is complete, that's it. You can press your flashing up and down arrow to release your cutting mat. Now, to pull the cardstock off, I actually pulled the mat away from the cardstock. And then I'm using this spatula, it's a Cricut tool, to remove the cardstock so I don't bend it as I take it up. And then I can either use this spatula or the other little scraping tool to remove the excess left on the Cricut mat. There you can see my original test cut that I didn't get done on camera, and then my second cut that I did get done on camera. Now make sure when you've taken all your excess materials off your Cricut mat to go ahead and grab that plastic cover that came with it, that acetate sheet, and just place it back on your mat to avoid any dust particles or hairs from attaching to your mat. Step 4 is bookmark this page. So it asks you to go to cricut.com/create and bookmark that page so it's easy for you to find the next time you want to create. Before I go, I did want to share the lovely goodies that were sent to me by my crafty friend. She sent me this adorable Cricut cutie. Just look at that. So he's going to be in my craft room. And then several different sorts of vinyl. This is a permanent glossy, another permanent glossy. This is a has holographic threads. Ugh, gorgeous. Look at this removable matte vinyl with this beautiful print. Got this one, it's glitter. Just gorgeous. Permanent glitter. Also got this strong bond patterned iron-on. I already have ideas floating around in my head. Trying to make a little more space here. This beautiful pink and mauve red iron-on. This beautiful foil iron-on. This adhesive foil. Removable matte vinyl. This premium removable matte vinyl. And then an infusible ink. In addition to that, she sent me the scoring stylus, these extra fine point pen set, this everyday collection 10 pack, and it has a silver, gold, and black. And as you saw earlier, she sent me the scraper and spatula. I just don't know how to thank her enough. But again, this crafty community is generous, is kind, and I am so thrilled and honored to be a part of it. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.